Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S to the power of square root of 32 is equal to 16. Now let's take the log of both sides. Log s to the power of square root of 32 is equal to log 16. Now let's make everything base 2. This is base 2. Then take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of c base b, this is equal to c log a base b. And if you remember that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. From here, we have square root of 32 log x base 2 is equal to log 16 base 2. Square root of 32 is equal to 4 root 2. Then the whole of this equation become 4 root 2 multiplied by log x base 2, then is equal to 4. Now let's divide both sides by 4 root 2. This divided by 4 root 2, and this divided by 4 root 2. This, we cancel this. We have log x base 2 is equal to 4 divided by 4 root 2. Then from here, if you exponentiate to solve for s and raise 2 to both sides, s will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by square root of 2. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.